The time has come, my friends. Today, it is the original Prusa MK2 up against Log. This is one of my favorite types of video to do, where we take two 3D printers, we run the same G-code side by side, we compare speed and quality of print, just to see how it turns out. This really isn't a scientific effort as much as it is a fun exercise, but I do really enjoy doing it. If you watched the last Log upgrade video, we swapped the board out with a mini Rambo from Ultimachine, so both of these printers are getting pretty close to the same thing. They even both run Prusa firmware. The biggest difference is Log has a clone V6 hot end with a PTFE tube in it, and the genuine Prusa has a genuine V6 all-metal hot end. So we're going to take the same G-code on SD cards, run them side by side, and then compare the results. We're even using the same filament. We have orange PLA from IC3D because I have a ton of it. So let's get started. We'll queue up the prints and see how it turns out. And we're done. It was a really close race. I even ran 2 benchies just to make sure. There's a look at the Prusa, 1 hour and 30 minutes. And there's Log, 1 hour and 31 minutes. So Log was a minute behind the MK2, but that was all in heat up time, when it was heating the bed and the hot end. And I'm guessing that's because the MK2 uses a lot higher quality power supply than Log does. But print time and speed was pretty much identical. But how did the prints look? Let's check that out now. So which print do you think is better? I'm going to give the quality to the MK2, but just slightly. The print off of Log was a lot better than I thought it would be. It did have a few strings and a few inconsistencies. Also, the print was a lot shinier than on the MK2. So I'm guessing Log is printing a little hotter than it says it is. And the inconsistency, I'm going to chalk that up to the MK2 having a lot higher grade hot end, as well as a rigid aluminum frame. So maybe with a few more upgrades to Log, we could achieve Prusa status. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did making it. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. If not, leave your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.